In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Chromecast that no longer powers on. You're not getting any lights, or it just doesn't seem to be working on your TV. Doesn't seem like it's getting power. It's a fairly simple, easy fix to do to troubleshoot. So for example, if you have this plugged into the TV, or if you have it plugged into a computer like this with a mini USB, try to actually take your USB and plug it directly into the wall. So for example, just get you a little wall outlet like this, could be generic, and then plug it directly into a wall outlet and then see if it turns on. If it does, then you know the issue is not with your Chromecast. It could just be with the power cord or where you're connecting it to, the device. So if that does not work, try a different USB cord. For example, if you're connecting it to your computer or MacBook, these use the mini USB-C or the micro USB, which are the older USBs that connect to your old Samsung Galaxy, not the USB-C. Fairly cheap, you can get them off of Amazon for nothing. And so, like I said, get the micro USB, a new cord, or you might have one laying around, and see if that will fix the issue. It could just have a faulty cord. Now, with the components in these Chromecast, they do wear out. So it could be an issue with your Chromecast. You just might need to toss it. Now, after you've tried that, try a different HDMI port. So if you've got it connected to your TV, for example, try to connect it to a completely different HDMI port on your TV. It could be that port that's broken. So for example, if you have an Xbox connected to the other one, unplug the Xbox and plug this in, and then you realize it's not the Chromecast, it's the TV HDMI port. Then, if you do have it connected to a MacBook or a laptop, for example, try a completely different USB port. So remove it and then plug it into another port. It could just be that USB port on your computer. That a lot of times will fix the issue with that. Now, if you have everything connected, what I will do a soft reset. Unplug everything. Unplug your Chromecast from the TV, from the computer, or whatever. Turn off the TV. You could actually unplug the TV if you have it connected to a TV. Unplug your Wi-Fi router. Give it about 15 minutes. Plug everything back in. That's a soft reset. And a lot of times you might see that will remedy the issue right there. All right. Next thing you can do is you can do a factory reset. That's fairly simple to do. So for example, if you have it connected to your computer, or if you're in Google on your computer, just go to Settings, and then from Settings go to More, and then from More click Factory Reset, and that's going to wipe out all your personal information on there, but it's going to make it fresh, like it's brand new out of the box, and then see if that will fix the issue. Or you can do it manually, so make sure it's plugged in. For example, you might be getting a little bit of light or no lights at all, and while it's plugged into the TV or the computer, hold down this little button right here for 25 seconds. It's right next to the cord. So you see I got my thumb on it. And it's going to do if it lights up, if it does light up, it'll do a series of blanks. If you have it in your TV, it'll turn the screen black. And it'll start blinking. And a lot of times that could fix the issue. And like I said, these are older devices and they don't last forever. So it could be just you need to use a different Chromecast, or just start using a different, just using your smart TV. All right, thanks so much for watching. Let me know which one of these methods did work. Make sure you subscribe.